Hello everyone, I'm going to go ahead as I normally do and post week two's check-in. Week two, of course, starts on technically tomorrow, end of day, or Monday, but I like to give you a heads up and I like to give you time to get started if you finish early. Some of you have still not finished your chapter 1 review, your lecture review, which is due tomorrow by end of day, October 9th. So make sure you do that before starting this process. So week 2, we're going to talk about nonverbal communication and developing a statement or a cover letter. So a mission statement or a cover letter. So your cover letter, right, is when you apply to a job you normally ask for. So this is the course objectives for the week, and then also the chapters and the information. You read chapter 2, 3, and 4, and we have the week 2 review, which is due, of course, October let me get the date right, 16th, October the 16th by end of day. So as we jump into week 2, let's open it. We have a lecture, all right, which is at the top here, and then you have your information about a cover letter. So I have attached a document that talks about the perfect cover letter, and then also some information about the presentation. Also going to talk about nonverbal versus verbal communication, and then I have my own personal sample cover letter that you can take a look at, and you can actually use my format if you want to develop yours, because the cover letter is going to be due in the near future, and this is going to help you, right? When you apply for jobs, you'll have one drafted already. Your week 2 review, of course, is due your initial post by Wednesday at midnight or end of day, and then also reply to another student by Sunday, midnight, end of day. I try to say end of day most of the time, and I'll try to replace that with the word midnight because there's some confusion. It's not the beginning of the day, it's actually the end of the day. So if you have any questions there, let me know. I want to highlight one more thing. I opened up APA research. So one of the biggest things that's due this semester for you guys is going to be your APA research project, which is researching and documenting information regarding a healthcare topic of your choice. So I don't want to jump into it too much right now because we're going to spend a week talking about it, but there's information here if you want to read it. And further, the instructions are just above this. So your research paper and video guidelines instructions are right here. I also want to highlight one more thing as I hop into the announcement section. This is a fully online course. So your quizzes, your tests, everything will be online. Nothing will have to be done in the classroom setting. It is all online. However, I'm happy to meet with you via Zoom if you have questions or concerns. If you want to talk through things, happy to meet simultaneous with you and work through some different outcomes. However, this is a fully online class. No tests or anything like that. It'll be in person. It'll all be on your computer through a program that we use to monitor whether or not you have more than one application open. So it's called Lockdown Browser, which more to come on that in the future. But this is a fully online course. Be sure you finish your lecture review for week 1, and then we'll move to week 2. And if you have any questions, don't hesitate to reach out. Thanks so much.